So today we're going to go over our rewards and we're going to redeem. So right now we have 23,000 and we also have 2,545 that is ready to claim. Now my goal is to get 1,000. This is a 1,000 peso gift card and we can redeem that. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to my dashboard. All right, let me claim this one first. Claim points. So if you're wondering what these points are or where it came from, this is a monthly bonus. That's 420. Bing Star bonus, 1,800. First search of the day, 115. Default search, 210. And you can also click that one. So points expire 1 month after you earn them. So claim, and then after points expire, they can't be claimed or redeemed. So we'll go ahead and claim this now. All right, so we now have 25,994. So we go to the Redeem tab. We go ahead and click this one. And of course, don't forget, there's also a coupon. So click that first before you hit Redeem now. So that's 200 points. So apply coupon. So instead of 23,995, it will now be 23,725. Then that's the time we go ahead and redeem. Click next. So you will need the Bing app, JTWPHU. All right, so we are now verified. We'll go ahead and hit next. Okay, so once again, this redemption will be sent to your email once the eGift is available for you to use. We still have about 2,269 points left. So let's go ahead and click this link. So there, it's pending. So far we have redeemed 200, 400, 900, 1,900, 2,000, 3,000, 4,900 since we started with the rewards. So not bad. At least we're getting something out of using, Microsoft Edge and other Microsoft products. We're not paying anything. So I guess that's a good thing. If you don't have Microsoft Rewards yet, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description. I have the link on how you can set it up and sign up for this so that, of course, you can also monetize your browsing. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.